Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to fix restore failed in Vita Mahjong. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the game itself. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and fix restore failed in Vita Mahjong. So if you see a restore failed message in Vita Mahjong, it usually means that the game could not verify your previous purchase or sync it with your App Store account. In most cases, the issue can be resolved within a few troubleshooting steps. So, first of all, verify you're using the correct account. So make sure that you sign in with the same Apple ID or Google account that was originally used to make the purchase. The purchase can be restored from a different account. Check your internet connection. So weak or unstable connection can prevent the game from connecting the App Store. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try restoring again. Restart the game and your device. So close Vita Mahjong completely, restart your phone or tablet, then reopen the game and try restore purchase option again. You can update the game, of course. Install the latest version of Vita Mahjong from the App Store or Google Play Store, as updates often fix purchase and sync issues. Confirm the purchase was complete and contact the Vita Mahjong support if none of these help. Go to the top left corner. You have, as you can see, the gear icon, and then click on feedback, where you can of course ask them and tell them about your problem if of course this does not help any of these that I told you. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. That will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Until then, as always, bye guys.